Yo, good evening mga brodies. What's good? We are back with another episode. And for tonight's video, we are going out. We are meeting one of our inspirations kung bakit tayo pumasok sa pag-YouTube, and that is Omar TV, fresh from Las Vegas, Nevada. Yes, sir. So, si Omar TV and si Mike Bomac, isa yan sa mga inspirasyon natin kung bakit tayo pumasok sa YouTube. And we have the honor and privilege of meeting Omar TV. We had that same privilege earlier this year with Mike Bomac when he came back here sa Philippines for vacation. And sabi ko sa sarili ko, if I get the chance to meet one of mga inspo natin sa pag-YouTube, I'll just bite the bullet and do content, which is what I'm doing right now. And yeah, meetup is at McDonald's in ABS. As per Omar TV, it's on his way na, but being the usual self, I am never late. Usually pa nga, I'm a little bit early. So yeah, let's go mga brodies. So I don't have much context to sino pa mga kasama natin for tonight. I'm of the assumption na baka kasama sila Master DJ TLS. Yes sir, Brody. And I think we're just gonna have dinner, konting tambay. Yun, and just like that, we're here in McDonald's. Boss, good evening. Dave.
Dave, oo.
Gusto Johnny? Kasama na natin si Omar TV finally. Kung alam ko lang na big bike ang dinala niya, sana pala nag big bike gaming na lang. Pero sige, bukas kita naman kami ulit. Teka, tsikahan muna kami. So ito ang motor na dala ni Omar TV, ang kanyang Ducati Hypermotard. How does it feel to be back?
Feels good.
Yes, sir! Let's go! And nandito kami ngayon sa Lola Ote. Dito kami magdi-dinner. So, baba muna tayo, Chibog. So this is gonna be a two-part video kasi tomorrow morning we're gonna be meeting up with Omar TV. Kasi may breakfast naman kami at Blake's Alabang. O, banat. Yes, sir. So napasaba kami sa dinner namin for tonight. Puro laman loob ang kinain namin. Omar, ano feedback mo sa food?
Sarap. Lalo yung barbecue. Kare-kare okay. Sarap na.
Ayaw pa ba? Ayaw pa na?
Busog. Teka, picture muna.
Alis ka kaya?
Ay, Kape Gaming. Let's go.
Alis ako.
Alright. Tapos na kami mag-dinner ngayon sa Lolo Hotel. Lipat kami for coffee. Kasama natin si DJ TLS, si Nick, si Omar TV, at si Marky Mark. Let's go. Panat. Sige. Okay mga brodies, it's a fail. Sarado pala sila ngayon. So, try natin lumipat. Okay, mukhang di nandalukan na tayo. Let's go. Alright mga brodies, nakalipat na kami. Dito tayo sa Dean and DeLuca. Coffee tayo, let's hang out with the boys. Friday night. Coffee time.
Hindi, pareho kayo eh. Sabay ko may pinapanood. Ewan ko ba't tigil
Kasi ito si Mark. Ano ito eh? First.
Kakatain na ba ako bukas? Gosh, after dinner merienda. Oh Mark, bukas tayo.
Yes, sir.
Part 2.
Bukas.
Saan tayo?
Blake's Alabang, 7 a.m.
Let's go. Alright. Adjourn ng evening edition natin with the DJLS boys. We finally got to meet Omar TV in the flesh, fresh from Las Vegas, Nevada. And tomorrow may part 2 tayo with Omar kasi magmi-meet up kami sa Blake's Alabang at 7 a.m. Yes, brodies. So ayun, I'll catch you mga brodies on the flip side. See you tomorrow, bright and early tomorrow.
One eternity later.
What's good mga brodies? We are now on the second part of our video. It is currently 5:45 in the morning. We are on our way back to the south. May breakfast ride tayo with sila Omar TV. I believe sila Amor Solo, mga boys sa south will be there. And we will be having breakfast at Blake's in Alabang sa Molito. So we're extra early today para makapag-breakfast tayo with the boys naman from the south. Mike Momac, wish you were here. You found out last night na parang imposible or wala po na magkasabay talaga kayo ni Omar TV umuwi dito sa Pinas. But anyways, we'll make do. And yeah, baka na tayo ngayon to go and have breakfast. Looking forward to it. T-shirt gaming muna tayo, mag-jersey na tayo pagdating na natin sa South. I-enjoy natin yung lamig ng panahon ngayon. Right? So, let's go!
A few moments later.
So mga brodies, may dagdag kaalaman pala ako for today's video. So ang service road pala mula Villamor papuntang South, di pala siya lagi open. Yung papunta C5 extension, yung from Villamor tapos kakaliwa kayo sa Rotonda if you're coming from Lawton, di pala lagi bukas yun. Ayan, mapahaba pa yung trip natin. Gosh, so it's currently 6 in the morning. Tatang pa tayo ng bahay kasi may kukunin pa akong pasalubong na gusto ibigay kay Omar TV tsaka kay Mike Bomac. Ay, makapahaba pa yung daan natin. Anyways, let's go.
2,000 years later.
Alright, mga brodies, padaan na tayo ng bahay. Obviously, kita nyo naman, naka-jersey na tayo. And right now, we are off to Molito. Medyo maswasan tayo ngayon dahil it is 6:43 na in the morning. Feeling ko naman di tayo malilate. Tara mga brodies, panap! So mga brodies, with the magical powers of time travel and video editing, nandito na tayo sa Molito. Sarado pala yung isang entrance sa tapat ng Frabel. So ngayon dadaan tayo sa harap ng Molito. It is currently 6:55 in the morning. Perfect. Sakto, dating natin. Alam nyo mga brodies, isa sa mga pet peeve ko, ang late eh. Pero if other people, basta hindi importante, okay lang naman sa akin. Pero ako personally, I try to make it a point to be on time. Kasi in my 20s, I used to be yung late one. Yeah. Good morning.
A few moments later.
So mga brodies, hindi pala sa Molito ang Blake's. malapit siya dun sa dating Toyota Alabang. Ay, sa may Concha. Okay. Hassle pala. Okay. Mukhang malilate nga tayo. All this talk about not being late, tapos ako pala late. Pero kasi ang usapan kasi was like in Molito daw ang Blakes eh. But anyways, we're already here. Takits in a bit. Nandito na tayo sa Blakes. Teka, parang tayo palang ang tao ah. Lo. Teka, message tayo. Wait lang mga brodies ah. Bro, happy birthday, happy birthday. Goods na goods ang breakfast. Kasama natin si Amor Solomoto. Pa-WhatsApp ka naman.
What's up, mga brodies?
Yes, sir. So ngayon, kape-kape gaming muna. Tapos na ang brunch namin with Omar TV. Omar, thank you so much. Ano masasabi mo sa ating mga subscribers?
Subscribe kayo kay Brody.
Thank you. Thank you so much, bro.
No problem.
Sa kang alamat, sa aking aklat. Alright, mga brodies. Tapos na ang aming tambay for today. Met some new friends. Finally, na-meet ko na si Tito William. Tito William rocking his GTS. Oh, kasama niya ang kanyang pamangkin si Isabel. Tapos ang anak niya. Alright. Thank you so much, Omar, for breakfast. Tara, let's go. Alright, rolling out na tayo. Handa natin pa uwi ay BF Paranaque. Let's go. Alam niyo mga brodies, it's super nice to finally meet someone you just watch on YouTube, di ba? Makasama mo pa, enjoy a meal together, tapos added bonus pa, yung naka-ride mo pa. So, it's really an honor to get to finally meet you, Omar. And if you're watching this, thank you so much for inspiring creators like me to take the plunge and to do content creation. And this goes also to all content creators who have inspired people like me. So mapa si DJ TLS, si Amor Solo, Mike Boma, Torky, Miko Moto. There are too many to mention. But yeah, from the bottom of my heart, thank you. As in, nakakatuwa. So, enough of that drama. So, ngayon, yan si Tito William, what's up? Yes sir. So right now, pupunta na tayong bahay. Might go for another round of coffee kasi medyo puyat tayo. Yeah? So, yet again, once more, let's go! Southville na, baby! Sarap talaga tignan sa mga pag maraming Vespa. Grabe. Bye, Tito William! Bye-bye! Ulan natin sila. Tayo kasi diretso. Bye, boys! Yan, nakakalas na sila. Sila ay pauwi na. Hindi mo maintindihan yung panahon na. Ano ba, uulan, araw.